Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to verify your email address into Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to verify your email address, you just simply have to open your Gmail application or any other email platform that you use. And after opening the mail application, just simply find verification mail from Agoda. As you can see here, I got verification mail from Agoda. You can see this verify my mail option. Just simply tap into this verify my mail option and your account will be verified. But in my case, I'm copying this URL and opening directly into the browser. And as you can see here, after opening that link into browser, this page will open up. Now you just simply have to log in into this page, and after doing this very easy steps, your email address will successfully be verified into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.